Hello everyone. In this video, I'll be showing you how I use Google Sheets to efficiently track the books I read. At the top of the dashboard, you'll see several key statistics: the total number of books finished, the total pages read, a genre breakdown, and a chart displaying the number of books read per month as well as the total for the year. I've also added filters above the table to make it easy to sort or view specific data. Now let's take a look at the main table below. In this table, we have the book title, author, and a column to note who recommended the book. You can also record when you started reading and when you finished, along with your current page and the total number of pages. The sheet updates automatically. For example, if you're on page 300 of a 349-page book, it will show that you're 86% complete. If you're at 0, it shows 0%. And once you reach 100%, the progress bar turns yellow. Next, we have the status column. For instance, I'm currently reading Deep Work by Cal Newport, so its status is set to reading. If I haven't started a book yet, I mark it as not started. For books I plan to read next, I tag them as must read. After that comes the rating column, where you can give each book a score from 1 to 5 stars. The genre column follows. If you read a book from a genre not already listed, simply go to the Genre List tab at the bottom of the sheet. There you can add or remove genres as needed, for example, nonfiction or fiction. Once added, return to the dashboard, open the genre drop-down, and you'll see your new entries. You can even assign colors by clicking Edit, selecting a color, and applying it to all entries. In the last column, labeled Who Should Read This Book, you can describe who might benefit most from reading it. For example, people who want to improve productivity or time management. There's also a DNF option, did not finish, for books you didn't complete. In that case, you can leave the end date blank, but still record your thoughts or notes about the book if you wish. Let's walk through an example. If I've just finished a book, I can double-click in the table, enter the finish date, update the total pages read, mark the status as finished, add a rating, choose the genre, and write a quick note in the Who Should Read column. Now let's explore how filters work. If I want to view only the books I've marked as must read, I simply uncheck the others, click OK, and the list updates instantly. Similarly, I can filter to show all 5-star rated books, which is great for identifying top recommendations to share with friends. You can also filter by genre, for example, to display all productivity books you've read this year. All the charts at the top update automatically based on your data. For instance, if you remove a book's completion date, you'll see the total count of finished books and total pages adjust accordingly. A quick note, please avoid editing the 2 formula columns. If you double-click them, you'll see the formulas that calculate progress and percentages. To avoid breaking the sheet, just press Escape if you open them accidentally. Now let's briefly go over the tabs below. The Dashboard tab is your main interface. The Genre List tab lets you add, remove, or color code genres. The Instructions tab provides guidance on how to use the tracker, which data updates which charts, and includes a link to this video tutorial. Finally, the Data for Charts tab contains all the backend data powering the graphs. This tab is protected, so if you try to edit anything, a warning will appear. Just click Cancel to avoid making changes. And that's it. This book tracker has really helped me stay consistent and read more books throughout the year. If you'd like to get your own copy of this template, just click the link in the description below. If you find it helpful, I'd truly appreciate a 5-star rating. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.